In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake Theta token step by step. So the first step is to go to wallet.thetatoken.org, and then you can choose to unlock your wallet or create a wallet. So if you don't have a wallet yet, you can just create a wallet here. But if you already have a Theta wallet, you can choose between key store file, mnemonic, private key, or hardware. But if you're a first timer, you can create wallet here, then set a password, then click download key store, click here, and then save your mnemonic phrase. Click here, and then, for example, you want to unlock your wallet using your keystar file, then type down your password, click here, and then you're gonna need to deposit some Theta token and T fuel in your Theta wallet. So you can click receive here, then just copy the address here, and then you can go to coinmarketcap.com. So if you want to deposit some Theta fuel, you can just type down T fuel here, scroll down, and here are the supported exchange. So you can go to Binance. So if you want to deposit some Theta token, you can type down Theta here, scroll down, and here are also the supported exchange. But you can also use a MetaMask wallet here to transfer some Theta network or Theta token in your Theta wallet. And then once you have a Theta token in your Theta wallet, you can just click stakes here and then click deposit stake. Then select Guardian Node as your stake type. And then you can just choose to enter your Guardian Node summary or select a delegated Guardian Node. But this node is not guaranteed and you may not receive full T-fuel rewards if the node you delegate to has significant downside. So be careful when you want to delegate your Theta token. And then here is the Guardian node holder summary. Just copy this text string and then go back to Theta wallet. Is the text string here. Note that you will gonna need to stake at least 1,000 token in order to stake your Theta token. Then type down the amount of Theta token you want to stake, then click next and just pay for the gas fee. So the token that we're going to use to pay for the gas fee is the T fuel. So make sure that you have enough T fuel in your Theta wallet to pay for the gas fee. So after you complete the staking transaction, the Guardian node will display your current stake, total T fuel earnings, session T fuel earnings, and your node connectivity, and you will see this on your Theta Guardian node app. But as you can see, I haven't staked my Theta token yet, so I can see this in my screen. But if you already stake your Theta token, you will see this on your Theta Guardian node. And if you have any questions about how to stake Theta token, leave a comment below.